Energy-efficient windows. Warren contractors provide Warren energy-saving replacement windows designed to reduce drafts, improve comfort, and support lower energy costs all year long. For homeowners comparing replacement windows for lower utility bills, modern efficient window frames, thermal performance windows Warren, and high-efficiency window solutions can make a measurable difference in home window energy efficiency. From residential window replacement Warren to window replacement services in Warren, Michigan, the right fit helps create a tighter building envelope and a more comfortable living space. Energy-efficient windows in Warren, Michigan are especially valuable for cold season performance, where heat loss reduction windows and cold climate window systems matter most. Best windows for winter in Warren, Michigan often include low-E glass windows Warren, insulated windows Warren, Michigan, and weatherproof windows Warren, Michigan to help keep warm air inside and outdoor air out. Homeowners seeking energy-efficient home upgrades in Warren, Michigan can benefit from insulated residential windows in Warren, window insulation upgrades Warren, and draft-reducing windows built for Michigan climate-ready windows Warren. Energy-efficient windows Warren, Michigan and double-pane windows Warren are both strong choices for homeowners looking for noise-reducing insulated windows and improved thermal protection. Triple-pane energy-saving windows. Warren, Michigan can deliver exceptional insulation for homes near busy roads, while double-pane window installation Warren, Michigan offers a balanced option for many budgets. Whether choosing triple-pane windows Warren, Michigan or double-pane windows Warren, the goal is to improve heat retention, reduce utility strain, and enhance home comfort window upgrades. Vinyl energy-efficient windows remain a popular option for affordable energy-efficient windows Warren, Michigan because they combine durability, low maintenance, and solid insulating value. Warren, Michigan vinyl replacement windows are often chosen for their modern efficient window frames and long-term performance in changing weather conditions. When paired with Energy Star certified windows in Warren, Michigan and Energy Star windows Warren, Michigan, these systems support a more efficient home and stronger seasonal savings. Low emissivity glass window experts Warren can help homeowners select low-E glass windows Warren that improve solar control and indoor comfort. Residential energy-efficient glass replacement Warren, Michigan is especially useful for older homes needing thermal window replacement in Warren, Michigan without full structural changes. Custom energy-efficient window designs allow property owners to choose the right glass package, frame style, and performance level for specific home window energy efficiency goals. Energy-efficient windows. Warren, Michigan is a key part of maximizing the value of new installations, because even the best windows for winter in Warren, Michigan perform better when air leaks are addressed. Warren, Michigan draft-free window installation often includes careful sealing, sash replacement energy savings, and precision fitting to help eliminate gaps that drive up heating and cooling costs. For homeowners seeking cost-saving window replacement, these details can improve both comfort and efficiency. Nearby Warren, Michigan window installers and nearby Warren, Michigan window installers serving Macomb County can deliver energy-efficient replacement windows near Macomb County with local knowledge of weather, homes, and performance needs. Macomb County window energy savings start with the right product selection, whether that means high-performance windows for Warren homes, insulated windows Warren, Michigan, or energy-saving window solutions in Macomb County, MI. Warren, Michigan home window retrofit services can be tailored to older houses, newer builds, and everything in between. Warren, Michigan energy-efficient window installation is ideal for homeowners who want a complete upgrade from measurement to final sealing. Residential energy-efficient glass replacement Warren, Michigan, double-pane window installation Warren, Michigan, and triple-pane energy-saving windows Warren, Michigan all work toward better energy efficiency and improved indoor comfort. With energy-efficient windows Warren, low-E glass windows Warren, and thermal performance windows Warren, homeowners can choose a system that supports long-term value. Energy-efficient patio door and window service Warren can help extend savings beyond standard openings by improving connected surfaces throughout the home. High-efficiency window solutions, weatherproof windows Warren, Michigan, and draft-reducing windows are all part of a smarter envelope strategy that helps reduce heat transfer and strengthen comfort. For homeowners focused on energy-efficient home upgrades in Warren, Michigan, a complete approach to insulated windows. Warren, Michigan, vinyl energy-efficient windows and custom energy-efficient window designs can support better performance, lower utility bills, and year-round satisfaction.